about geometric means. The geometric mean is useful when you deal with growth rates, ratio, and NPs. Now let's move on to harmonic means. The harmonic means of n positive numbers, integer of course, is given by this formula. Let's take an example. For example, you have again two numbers, 4 and 9. For geometry, we have this operation. 2 n equal 2. X1 is 4 and x2 is 9. And in this denominator, to resolve this part, in the numerator we have 1, no problem. To obtain this expression, we do first 4 plus 9, this is 13. We put in on the numerator, and you do also 4 times 9, 36. You put it on the denominator, and when you have two fractions, the first under the second, we take the first two. These two have to the denominator 1. To obtain this fraction, we take the first fraction multiplied by the opposite of the second fraction. You do now 2 times 36, which equal 72, and we put in the denominator this 13, which equal 5.54. The harmonic means is most appropriate when the value weights space and or ration. So I'm finished my part. I want to give the floor to experts Ariel to talk about major